So I've got this Darious 1002 amplifier, and it's crackling. I don't know if you can hear that. Turn the volume down to put an audio source in. There you go. So we're going to try and fix it with some of this DeoxIT D5. All right. The volume knob is the worst. So let's get that in there. Just a little bit in each one. Now we're going to turn them. I'm going to rub that DeoxIT around, turning them several times. And I'm going to get some air and see if I can blow out the remnants of whatever's in there. Okay, back with some air. One more round. Rotate them one more time, it can't hurt. Blast them one more time with air. See what difference that made. Okay, same audio source, which by the way is a Commodore 64, because the only thing that I had with RCA out on it to make sound, and the sound it makes is pretty cool. Let's fire it up. So we got the volume. The volume's fine. Tone. Yep, no more static. Rate. I'm no expert, I don't know what that does, but there's no static. Oh, those are for effects, right? For this purpose, I wouldn't use them anyway. What I'll do is put the case back together, because when it's wide open like this, of course, there's no seal for the speaker, and give it one more shot, complete the video. All right, reassembly complete. Let's plug in our audio source. Still running the same track off the Commodore 64. And let's power it up. So there's the volume, that's the volume. This is your tone, which is working well. And these are effects knobs, which don't appear to work well with the track I'm playing. but work. Turn them off. There you go.